Alrighty, good morning, chat. How are we doing? What is popping on your end? Let's get this party started. Alright, let's see. Are we ready for the day? Or what? Let's get today popping. Let's go. Let's get that pinned. Let's start this. Looking at a potential retest on Euro USD to continue up. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let me just send out the link. Alright, link sent out. Let's start this up. What's good, Gypsy? How we doing? No trade range. GU. Let's see. We have not yet broken previous high over there. On EU, we kind of have broken. We've not yet got an entry. NCD USD is giving us 50 pips for the morning. What a beauty. AUD USD also at that point looks like we could potentially get at least 50 odd pips on AUD USD. $6 p.m. this evening, we have USD unemployment claims. Not too bad. We want to get into trades before that. We want to make some money before that. Give me a second. All right. Pulling back. Hopefully we get a nice little entry over here. Let's hope. Get a good entry. Let's see. Strong potential. not seeing any real, what would I say, volume. Chaditya, what's good, my guy? Good morning. How are we doing? How's everyone doing? 1.27% up on my 50k. That's good. Keep it going. Don't do anything crazy. Okay, are we gonna get a rejection or a continuation? What are we gonna get? Okay, I got that, I got that. Let me just check this. Okay, what's your overview on the pairs as they retrace back almost full? Can this will be head and just check out my analysis which is sent already. I'm looking for longs. All right. Can we get something substantial? GU is looking really good now. I am tempted. Early time frame we moved over there. There was really no time frame that gave me an entry. Let me see. GU. Let's put this right here. Oh, Ali on this particular thing gave us an entry. Otherwise, yeah, this didn't tap. On MetaTrader, looks like it's tapped. M20 H2 looked kind of good. M15 also was kind of good from here, going up. That was 25 pips all the way up there. Nice. Let's see whether we can break it or what. This candlestick has to push all the way down back to QB. If it doesn't, then nothing interesting. You are working it off. Okay, let me just check this. 80 is already broken up there. If we do come down here for a 750 retest, interesting. No, not interesting actually. USD CAD in a range, not interesting. USD CAD in a range. That's as good as wasting time. As good as wasting time. Let's see. Hopefully no time wasted today. Let's go. Interesting. EU is coming back down. How do we place stops then? Interesting. We'll find out when we get there. Alright guys, let me know what trades you guys are looking at, what you're looking at getting in. My bias is not changed. In case you guys thought it changed, it didn't. I'm still looking for longs. Still looking for longs. Let's see. Alrighty. Interesting 1 hour close and open on USD CAD, USD CHF, gold. Beautiful. Gold spiked right down and came back up. That is so difficult. That is so difficult. You have 2 zones of market structure which we have not broken on gold to trend yet. So you may as well wait for those market structures to first get taken out before you look at trending. I do not think any USD pair is bearish. I hope you guys know clearly that I'm looking for buys on all USD pairs. Pretty much from here to here. Beautiful. So that should be around 100 pips. So 20 pips worth of risk for 100 pips worth of gain. I can live with that. Why is that not? Let's see if we can get a nice move when we come back down. As you know, I always take all entries and exits live on stream. So let's see. Alright, let's see, can we get an entry? Will we get an entry? Let me know what you guys are looking at. Do you think it's a buy or do you guys think it's still a sell? Let me know. Do you think it's a buy or still a sell? Okay, price is coming back to QP. I'm in sells on for 30 pips on June. Nice. Let's see if we get sells. We could potentially come back here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's get some trades in. I guess if your strategy allows you to short, go for it. For me, my strategy doesn't. See, we're tapping back. What can we get with it? Can we get a trade today? Okay, price kind of pulled back, but we haven't tapped yet, so we're not gonna do this. More than first time here. Welcome, Dennis. What's good, Dennis? Where are you from? Welcome to the DC Trading Live channel. Romania, Europe, beautiful. I'm from India. There you go. There you go. I live in India. But yeah, what do you trade, Dennis? I'm a beginner. I trade from 1 year, still struggling. NQ, but search my edge. Okay. Nasdaq, nice. You're going straight into the deep, eh? Alright. Revenge trades still follow me. Oh man, I tried a few futures challenges, passed some of them. But I lost all my funded accounts because of lack of emotional attention. Yep, it's fine. You have to go through that process as a trader, right? There's no way around that. There's no way around that. Can we get a nice little trade over here? Yeah, it's alright. Sometimes we struggle with those emotions. In the beginning of trading, it's never easy. Dennis, it's never easy to start trading. But just wait for it. The reward is worth it. Just keep trading and wait for it. The reward is well worth it. Hmm. EU just dropped into the zone. Interesting. Interesting. Let's go. Alright, can we get an entry? Can we get a nice little entry? When I started, I believe it's easy. Now I understood first years you don't need to focus on money, only on process. But it's easy to say and very hard to do it. But I don't give up. I know that my time will come. Yep, that is true. That is true. I've been 7 years in the market and I've been trading Forex for 7 years. I trade GU, EU, mostly USD pairs. That's what I specialize in. I specialize in risk management and what I would say, I only trade very tight market structure. I don't trade any order blocks, any, all those different concepts now, not over here. Over here, I just keep it simple. Yep. In the beginning, I used to trade GJ and gold and stuff like that, but now I just trade what I see. And I prefer, right now, I prefer USD pairs. I like the way they move. Potential short from that level, yep. Whoever's taking a shot, I hope you do well. Nice. You trade only personal capital or also prop firm? Both. Uh, yeah, both. I've been funded a lot of times. You guys can scan the codes. But I've been funded with my Forex funds. I've been funded with Funded Next. I've been funded with the Forex Funder, December 2023, February 2024. So yeah. You guys can literally scan the QR code and see whether it's legit or not. Scan the QR code and see whether it's legit or not. So yeah, I've been funded with those firms. I've been funded with Finautive funding. 11 pips on profits in EU. Nice. Not bad, Fabio. Let's see. Nice, Fabio. Let's see how far you can go now. I think if it continues, you should be able to get at least 25 to the bottom over here. If we're gonna continue bearish, that is. Let's see. Like from me, you look good, guy. Not a guru like Musa. Yeah, over here we don't do that stuff. There's no lies. We show live terminal. So that I'm right now trading with a company called MONEVIS. They're an ebook pro firm. There's nothing to hide. Right over here, I've had like a 40% win rate on this account. You can see every single trade taken right over here. This is phase 2 right now. If you're looking at my phase 1, you can look at a similar thing. Right over here, you can see phase 1. Every single trade taken. There's no need to hide anything, man. The only time you need to hide anything is when you're doing something shady. For me, I don't believe in hiding anything. You can see my phase 1 went really well. I got 7% in no time. Phase 2 has been a little more difficult. You can see I've been struggling, but it's been at break even. But you see every single trade taken right over here. So, like I said, I got nothing to hide right over here. We take trades, we make it happen. And yeah, we keep doing what we're doing. That's it. We don't sell dreams over here, right? We sell a reality. It's not about, again, it's about acquiring a set of skills and taking you all on a journey while I acquire those skills. I'm not saying I'm a guru or anything, you know. So you can see this is my advanced analytics. 42% win rate, 38 trades, 15 longs, 1 short, 1. Best trade 1800, worst trade 630. So you can see my risk to reward is about 1:3, and you can see the average win and the average loss. These are all the closed positions that I've taken. So yeah, in any trades, no trades right now. No trades in right now. I'm still waiting. I am still waiting. Yeah, and you can, what you can do, Dennis, is you can follow me on X, which is the place I send everything. Again, there's right over here, you can see every single trade analysis sent out, and you can see the trades we won while taking it live online. Right over here, $2,500 trade win right over here. You can see the analysis. Every single day I send out the analysis and charts. And every time we take a trade, most of the time you can see this is live at the New York session. Wins, and you can see just analysis on analysis on analysis. This is one of the big trades we took on Euro USD, 100 pips. That was almost 50 pips, you could say. But it was a fantastic trade. So yeah, just like that. Physics, what's good? Good morning. How we doing? In any trades? Not yet, Physics. Not yet. Dun, dun. So yeah, Samuel Cunningham, Sam DCFX. Yep, that is me. That is me right over here. Sam at Sam DCFX. That is me. Samuel Cunningham is my name. DCFX stands for Samuel Derek Cunningham, which is Samuel DC. So Sam DC, and FX is what I trade. FX. Come on, let's get some nice trades in today. Guys, if you're new here, say what's up in the chat. Fabio, how's it going? Thank you, Dennis. That's awesome. Thank you for the follow. Fabio, you're looking for a previous high gaming. This entry, beautiful, beautiful. So Fabio, you're looking for a 1:1? Or what, you got it from the previous high, so you've taken it down here, so you're looking most likely to continue down, so that's nice. So your TP 1.11 is your TP, so that 1.11 flat level is your TP. Alright, I don't want it to go there because then that'll ruin my short buy, my long bias, my bad. Let's see what happens. It's a beautiful day to trade London session. Or is it? Let's see some other pairs. AUD USD doing its thing. We're right over there. Rejection. NZD USD also kind of coming down, but yeah. Let's see. I think Euro USD is what the trade I'm gonna get right now. Yeah, Fabio, I hope it works out for you, my guy, but I'm looking for longs. I don't mean to be a party pooper, but I'm looking for longs. I'm looking to go long on this. Be already, no problem. Awesome. Guys, remember, no courses sold over here. My YouTube channel, even though it was monetized previously, is not monetized anymore. You guys can see we don't need to make money off of YouTube. We don't need anybody's money. We're just here to share the plan and the process. Go for it. MONEVIS is an A-book firm. They're fantastic. They're looking to fund consistent traders. That's their main goal. Funding consistent traders. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button. And guys, feel free to ask any questions in the chat about any of the firms. Because again, like I said, we know a lot of firms and the way they function. Physics, aren't you a character? Aren't you a character? Good. Take out a mortgage while you're at it. Alright guys, I think if this candle closes above the zone, next candle engulfs, I will enter a long. 30 minutes is the only time frame that's giving me that. GU, we're in between the zones, so I don't care really. Okay. 15. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the 30 to close. Let's wait for the 30 to close and then I probably will get an entry. Let's see. Load up. Let's see how much can load up. That's looking really good, guys. That's looking really good. Okay, popular question. Okay, first, before we ask the popular question, first hit that like button, guys. Say what's up in the chat. And then you can get involved in the chat. Popular question. Do you think ICT traders or SMC traders are profitable? I've been seeing this debate all over X, formerly known as Twitter. Most of them know. Okay. Okay, give me a second. Let me just check my sentiment. Fair enough. Alright. It's about time. There you go. I am in. I'm gonna add another 5 lot. Perfect. Let's see how it works. So as said before, my TPs are up here. So anyway, you guys know how much we love to watch the lower time frame. So I'm gonna watch this 15-minute and how we close. This should be good. Our total risk is around 17 pips. Our reward we're looking at around 50 pips. Beautiful. So all we need to do is wait to see how this trade pans out. Is this white too harsh? This white is a little too harsh. Let's do 30%. The green seems fine. Awesome. What's the average? 293 is the average position. Okay, so that's up there. Roughly 17 pip stop loss. Looking for a 50 pip gain. So will we get it or not? Let's see. Who knows? GU looks like it wants to go up too. Will we get this move? Guys, remember I can take a loss. Oh, physics, you are trading ICT, eh? My bad, man. I keep forgetting. You're 1 in a million, physics. You're the one guy who knows how to apply the strat so well. Okay, so let's see how this trade goes. Taken live right over here. If we take a loss, we take a loss. Sometimes it is what it is. If we take a win, we take a win. It's the same thing as taking either. Nothing changes. My opinion is, due to the success rate of ICT, I do not believe traders are profitable with it. And when I see these other traders who are profitable with it, Many times it's not that they're trading ICT what makes them profitable, right? What makes them profitable is basically the way they're applying it, and they clearly tell you that they're only using pieces of ICT, they're not using everything. And ICT is pretty much a renamed, what would you say, renamed market structure course. Physics, I'm hungry. What do we get? What do we eat? Come on, can we go up? So I'm looking to break even around these highs right over here. You can see this previous market structure, 1 hour high. I'm looking to break even right around those highs. So right when we reach this area, 400, yeah, I want to break even. So let's see. You like spicy food? No, man. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight if you make me order spicy food. I can't do spicy food. Just doesn't gel with me. One concept, probably that is the way. Less is more apply and trade in. But in the beginning, 99% of us want to learn everything. I think here there is a problem. Yeah, what I think in trading is the more chart time you get, the more you will recognize what works and what doesn't work. Sooner or later, you're going to realize that some of these concepts absolutely don't work, and some of these concepts do work. It's just a price action renamed. Exactly what I thought. What cuisines do you like? I like all cuisines. That's, I like the non-spicy part of all cuisines. Yeah. I think I said this yesterday. I went and had an amazing bacon and prawn pizza. Yeah. A few days back. I'm so impressed with bacon and prawn. Let's see. Which restaurant? It's a shop called Milano. It started as a gelato joint. It ended up as a full-blown kind of restaurant slash thing. Libyan cuisine. What is that? Lebanese cuisine. Okay, I was wondering. Yeah, Lebanese cuisine is really nice. It's more like, yeah, Lebanese cuisine is more a Middle Eastern, right? So that's really nice, yeah. I like it too. I like it too. Love a good hummus and pita bread. It just feels so healthy. I think it should be one of the most healthiest cuisines. Not a problem, not a problem. Don't worry about it. Misu, not bad. Konkan, I see you. I see you with that Konkan. ZYNGs, what's that? I've not heard of that one before, but nice. Fabio, Portuguese and Italian cuisine. Fabio, what's your favorite dish, let's say? I know Fabio used to do a little bit of cooking or something, right, Fabio? What's your favorite dish? Really? Stop it, physics. I'm gonna have to check it. Paragon. Paragon is absolutely a fire. That's one of the best places to eat it. I was there just 2 Sundays back. Paragon is like part of the 5 most famous restaurants in the world, if I'm not mistaken, right? Zings. Okay. Real Italian carbonara. Okay, let's see. Not here. Authentic Italian carbonara. Traditional with spaghetti. Okay, that looks really good. I wonder what would make it authentic though. Look at that 15-minute candle close. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think price is gonna push up. Alright, yeah, let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. 24 minutes for the Sali candle to close. Oh, this looks really good. Status is here. It's so simple and so good also. I think, yeah, Italian pizzas and pastas are just the best, man. Dennis Luca. This is what I love about Dennis. His name is the same everywhere. I don't get why people's names are so different everywhere. Alright, let's see. This is my real name. That's amazing, man. Everyone, you know, they have a YouTube name. Racha replied to you. Yes, he did reply to us. So I said, hey Raja, my guy, I'm a big fan. Been there from the early streams, right, in Canada. But the Raja I knew wouldn't even consider these flexes. I still respect you, but my guy, you used to clown the guys that used to post stuff like this. So he posted something based on what he was saying about why he bought the watch and stuff. It's pointless. So yeah, it's all right. We live and let live. It's fine. Yeah, and look at this. This guy, Dan Chung, whatever guy, the My Funded FX guy. Okay, look at this, okay? Where was that post? He took the post down? Come on, champ, did you take the post down? I think he took the post down. Funny. Why did he take the post down? Okay, that makes no sense. I don't get why he took the post down, but yeah. What a clown. This guy is a danger clown. Any idea how I trace the thread of this message, guys, on X? Then maybe I could show you guys. I don't know how to trace the thread of this message. Wait, I can go to my replies. Oh, here. Okay. So he says, thing is, trade can be perfect, you can be perfect, but still lose. Okay? Not bad, it's still here. So all I said was wrong. If you lost, the trade wasn't perfect. We have to be honest and say, okay, that was a bad trade, and go back and fix it. If you lost the trade, how do you say it's perfect, man? That's all I said. I think that makes sense, right? Does that not make sense? If the trade was perfect, why did you lose? If you took a loss, how can you call the trade perfect? Like, I don't know where these soft guys like to pat themselves on the shoulders even after taking a loss. For me, when I take a loss, I go back to the drawing board and check it out. That is, I do not think that when I take a loss, I pat myself on the back and say I follow the plan. So now, even if I take a loss over here, I'll go back to the drawing board and see, okay, where could I have refined this trade? Where could I have taken an even better trade? Okay, higher time frame. Look at these higher time frame candles. Maybe I should have waited for a 2-hour candle closure. Look at that. Maybe I should have waited for an hourly candle closure. Maybe I should have waited for maybe a 45-minute candle closure. Yeah, but no, like what I'm looking at is even your model, right? There are certain times you don't win a trade because you haven't followed your model to the perfect place, I would say. And so there are always ways to find out why you took a loss. So like I said, if I take a loss today, I would say, okay, fine. Maybe I should have waited for a 1-hour candle to continue close and above. Maybe I should have waited for further candlestick structures to move up, you know? Yeah. It's just for me, I don't think I've ever had a moment where I followed my plan and took a loss. There are always minor compromises that I allowed myself to take because, like I said, if you're trading price action, you know how price action works. But there are minor compromises that you will make along the way, which could lead to you taking a loss. So let's see. For me, it's just, I can't call it a perfect. Firstly, you can never be perfect and the trade can never be perfect. The trade can possibly have a high probability. Let's see. Interesting. 1-to-1. He doesn't have one day which is bigger, but it's fine. His losses equal his, or are even bigger than his wins, but yeah. I would take a carbonara. But yeah, it's very interesting. Again, like I'm not shaming him or anything, it's just personal opinion and thought process. He's a fantastic guy. He's been around for a long time. I've watched a lot of his stuff. Let's see. Are we gonna continue going down or are we gonna stay afloat up here? I think if 5 minutes gives me another engulfing on this, I may just add another position. Because I really like it. But if I don't get that and it continues down, then I'll manage my risk, no problem. You like Forex, Andrew Tate? Saying a lot of controversial things to Forex gurus. You're having so much freedom in X. No, it's just many of these guys really don't understand the true process and plan of, trading and becoming successful in trading. Yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it. So that's why I don't see too much hope in the Forex space because especially because of the marketers, man. The marketers drive me mad. I hate it when they start selling these courses and communities and stuff like that. I'll tell you one concept I'm fine with, okay? Boot camps, okay? Where you're giving as much knowledge as you possibly can in a 1 day boot camp, let's say 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever. You give as much knowledge live to people, and show them how it works on the charts and this and that. But I just can't do with the communities and the courses now. Just not my vibe, maybe. Oops. Keep saying those things, you can grow your audience and have a lot of haters. For me, I really don't care about the hate. We know for a fact that most people want to see those gurus' lifestyles and stuff like that. It is what it is. Look at that 30. That 30 is looking so beautiful. But of course, one problem with 30 is we did not close engulfing, breaking the previous high or anything. So we just gotta sit on our hands and wait. We're gonna be in this for a minute. Darren Edwards, what's good, Darren? EU news in 13 minutes. Is that so? All day. Oh, this Euro German prelim news. Alright, let's see. Will it take me out? Or what? Let me see. I like my longs. If I lose, I lose. It's okay. This trade is perfect. Alright, this trade is absolutely perfect. If I take a loss, it just is what it is. The trade was still perfect. Nothing is perfect in life. Exactly, Dennis. Exactly. Okay, let me see. Sometimes my problem is going in and out of trade, feeling uncomfortable of the price going and changing the bias while on it. Sometimes my problem is going in and out of trade, feeling uncomfortable of the price and changing bias while on a trade. Yeah, you never change your bias. That's why you see me, the way I mark my charts, there is exact levels at which I now will say, okay, it's a sell. There's an exact plan to which I would say, okay, now it's a buy. I'm sticking to longs, I'm sticking to shorts. You guys have seen. I haven't taken a... Let me just check. When was the last time I took a short? Let me just check. Let me go back. Settings. Let's see. Marine. Probably you trade too much. I know the feeling. We trade less automatically. We have less emotions, and we can stick to the plan. Yeah, that is also a big possibility. If you trade less, you could possibly stick to the plan. That's one. Emotions is really bad. Yeah. So you need to decide. First, you need to decide, what am I looking at in the market today? Am I going to be looking long on the market and I'm looking short? What are the reasons I'm looking long? What are the reasons I'm looking short? Right? For me, I have my confluences set up for longs today, and it's been the same. I'm not changing my bias. My sentiment is giving me the same idea, so I'm not changing anything. So now I can confidently say I'm in longs because of this particular reason. If I lose this trade and price continues down, doesn't mean I'm going to change my bias. If I cross this point, this previous market structure low, is where I will say, okay, now it's time for my bias to shift. Now my bias is shifting. That's what I can say. But until then, there's no bias shifts. We do not shift around the bias. Ryan Toms, what's good? How long you hold your trades for? That TP looks like it's gonna take a couple of days. No, the TP is pretty short. It's 50 pips. It could take a few hours, 4 hours, maybe 2 4-hour candles, 3 4-hour candles. So my average trade time is almost 6 hours, you could say. Right? My average trade time is about 6 hours. I hold my trades roughly depending on how the market structure is showing. So I like to move my stops to break even because I know that most of my trades are high probability. So I like to allow the market to flow, let my trades run, allow my emotions to not flutter with what the market is doing, right? To allow my emotions to just be free. Whatever, I took this trade, I believe in this trade, the max I'm gonna lose on this trade is probably 1%. So I don't need to worry about this. To be an observer, not a predictor. Yeah, your job in the market is to be an analyst. So to put more confluences on one side, to put confluences and add things up on a side, So let me see, this entire month on Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. I've only taken longs the entire month on Euro USD, only longs. Let's see on GBP USD. Only longs. So early in the month, I've taken a few shots, but then my bias shifted and I've only taken longs ever since. My last shot was on 8th of August. Ever since then, I've only been longing. So I hope this makes sense to you guys. This is how I personally trade. Ryan Toms, that's where a lot of people fail. I was just like that. I wanted to get in and out. I thought 10 pip dip, you know, whatever. I tried so many different strategies of making really quick money, small stop losses, big profits. Nothing works. In my personal experience. Disclaimer, this is only my personal experience. Maybe for some people it has worked. But me personally, none of those things work. I had to get rid of those emotions. And let me change that. You can't get rid of those emotions. I learned how to control those emotions. Right? You're a human being, you're not a robot. You have to learn to control certain emotions. When people say, you know, there are so many different aspects to trading. There are so many different aspects to trading, and there are different emotions you're going to feel as a human being, because this is real circumstances. This is money. This is your thought process. This is your main occupation. So you got to look at, how do I control what is inside of me? I cannot control the market, but what I can control is my mindset, is my mentality. So when I do take a trade, what I can control is, listen, I got to stick to my plan. So guess what? I'm sticking to my plan. Stop loss remains until I break these highs right over here, and then I will break even. So I'm going to stick to that plan, right? What do I have to control? My impulsive emotion of saying, oh, let me do this, let me change this, oh, maybe I'm doing this wrong, maybe I'm doing that wrong. I need to move back my emotion, right? Or control that emotion and say, no, don't do that. I need to be patient. I need to be disciplined. I need to look at the long term. How many times have I won a trade where I've held it for a longer period of time? So many more times than when I've held short trades, right? So yeah, I don't mean to go on a rant, but this is what has helped me become profitable, and this is what I want to share with you guys. Let's see. This time, can we break up and continue? Dennis, yes, I primarily trade the London session. When I do find trades at the New York session, I do trade New York session. I trade New York with a bunch of guys I mentor for free. I don't charge them anything. Young boys, college going boys, so yeah. What changed for me is that now I only look at 1 or higher time frames. That's good. See, you found that the key lies in the higher time frames. I'm telling you, as a profitable trader, the keys lie in the higher time frames. I kid you not. The absolute keys lie in the higher time frame. What your average time for trades? About, I told you, about 6 hours I average holding trades. 6 to 8 hours. I'm a day trader, so I get in the morning. Most of the time by evening I'm out, so yeah. Yeah, I agree, it's definitely an emotional game, yeah. I used to overtrade a lot, and with scalping, it's so much easier to just take more and more trade. I was a scalper, and you know what? You don't even have to ask me for proof that I'm a scalper. I have so many live streams down here. Just check my live streams. You will see me scalping, taking trade after trade after trade. It just did not work. It just did not work. The more I scalped, the more I took L's. The more I tried smaller stop losses, the more I took L's. The more I tried to take short-term trades, the more I took L's. The only way to get profitable in this market is see what disciplines do I need to develop to become a profitable trader. And one of the traders I really look up to a lot is Bernd Skrupunski. Right? Check it out. It's Bernd Skrupunski. He's amazing. News coming out in 1 minute. Will the news destroy me? I don't think the news is hugely important, but yeah. Bernd is one of the greatest traders that I've ever seen, and he talks about just looking at the higher time frame and being disciplined. 90% of traders are gonna fail. You know why? Not because they have a failing strategy. It's because they have a failing discipline. You need to find your right edge directly proportional to your personality. True, very true. Bernd is a good guy. Bernd is the best guy. I would say he's the only Forex influencer who people should follow. He's literally one of the only Forex influencers who people should follow. What people don't understand that trading is not a game. Trading is not a game. The day you decide to take trading seriously, you will realize that it's not a game to be played. It's not a what do you say? It's not something to take lightly. It's something where you invest your entire heart, soul and mind into, you know. Bernd has a nice house too in an island. Yes. What's that? Koh Samui. Koh Samui in Thailand, Bali. I think it's more closer. Thailand, Phuket, I think. News came out. Pushing price bearish. This is the new hourly time frame candle. Very nice candle. No top wick. Amazing. No top wick on this hourly candle. Beautiful. Let's see. If it takes out this low, my trade will be out. Let's see. Did we actually get news? Let's see. Hopefully we don't take out this low. If we take out this low, then I'm done with one position. So you can see I have one position right over there. We take out that low, I'm out. Okay, one position out. Position 2 is right over here. If price keeps coming down, I will be taken out of that position too. And I'm taken out of both of my positions 1.5%. Not a problem at all. Not a problem at all. Was the position perfect? Far from perfect. When you look at it, you have to look at the bigger picture. Was my position perfect? So there's tons of things I can learn from this right now. And there's tons of things I'm going to look at right now and say, okay, how can I have improved on this position? Firstly, why did my news not show on Forex Factory? Not a problem. Next one, let's see, could I have found that on any other side? Let's see my FX book. August 29th. Not showing anything here either. Maybe it's the filters. Euro. Alright, so this news just came out. So there's another news, medium to high impact. So it's interesting that Forex Factory did not have this as high impact news. At least it did mention the time, not a problem. So I should have been more cautious of the news. Again, guys, it isn't a problem. We focus up, wait for the next trade to come. Same thing, again and again and again. 4-hour candle, huge 4-hour candle. It's come out, taking these lows. What's gonna happen? Unfortunately, it hit your break even Oh, and so I'm out of the short position. Yeah, it's okay. This is a news trade, so no point. Gold barcode. Let's see. One more high impact news. After that, I think we're pretty much clear for the day. Inflation year on year. High impact in the evening. I'm gonna remove medium impact, no impact. There you go. Beautiful. That's all I want. Let's go. These are all the news we have for the day. USD. Very interesting. GU dropped. EU dropped. EU is now dropping below this level. Oof. Strong. Look at that. Strong. Super strong. Interesting. Now, what has price action done is the question. But actually now I can refresh my sentiment and ask the same question. Pull him back. What has the market structure done now? Suspicious. We've now taken out the previous daily low that was created. So you know what that does. So now you know what that does. When we've taken out the previous daily low in the market structure, that has slowly shifted my market structure to now saying that it's bearish, right? Small bearish market structure. So let's see. Let's see. You no longer trade gold? No, I don't trade gold. Gold kinda gets boring. Yeah, 1 hour time frame, which is printing side by side. I don't like trading gold. Very interesting. We're getting impulsive candles now. If you're seeing, we're consistently getting impulsive candles to the bearish side. So I think we're about to start an impulsive bearish bias. I'm just waiting for trend to change. Let's see. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. What can we do? even better than what we're doing right now. Let's see. Retracement, pull back. Breaking market structure. First USD pair to actually break market structure to continue. Let's see. That was an impulse down. Very interesting. We didn't get much from anything right there. We've taken out all the lows. That is looking very good actually. Continuation to the downside should be good. Nice. Beautiful. GU is also dropping. Again, the bias sentiment is still not yet changed. So I just gotta wait for that high probability setup. We're gonna wait for some high probability setups. The scam 1 hour candle retrace, yeah. You can see the way it respected the zone and then broke through. So that news was it. We needed that news. Beautiful. Let's see. Market structure shifting over here. 4R has gone bearish. 1R is now going bearish, taking out the previous low. Huge. USD is just dropping right now. I think some profit taking has happened, guys. Right now, markets are dropping. Let's see. Yeah. That 1 hour candle definitely scammed you out of it, Fabio. It's fine. And this 1 hour candle also scammed me. It just went straight right through. Straight through. Let's go. It's fine, BE not L. Yeah, I took an L. It's scammed you too. Physics, what do you take? I was looking for shorts on EU, but the 1 hour close made me think it was bullish. Yeah. The 1 hour close was super rejection, right? It was a superb rejection. So yeah, it happens. Happens to the best of us. Give me a second, guys. We're gonna be looking for the next best trade and see what's good. Our next 4 hour low is right down here, so we're gonna be waiting for that. Market structure, and then we're gonna see. Yeah, it's fine. It happens to the best of us, guys. It's not every day we take the best trades. But listen up, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Keep in mind that we may do an NY session today. If we're doing an NY session today, you guys know we will be right over here trading, waiting for the next best possible setup to not only just make our losses back, but to take us way into profits. So I will see you guys this evening at the NY session. Take it easy, guys. Thank you for joining. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You guys are awesome. See ya.